Hi everyone, another week, another recipe. I'm doing well. This is like 4 weeks in a row. So we've got a recipe for brioche buns. So this recipe came about when I started craving some pulled pork burgers. So I whipped up these buns and I decided to film it. So you are the winners here. You get to see how it's done. If you haven't already, please remember to comment, like and subscribe to the videos. It really does help. And if you're feeling really adventurous, give it a cheeky share.